Alright, so I've created a class mathUtils. It contains a static field and it contains a static method. The static field is pi. The static method is subtract, and as you can see, it's a very simple method. It just takes two numbers and then returns the result of subtracting a by b. Alright, so let's see how to call this. So I'm going to move over to our main, and in here I do not need to create an instance of mathUtils to be able to get the value of pi, so let me just print this value to prove my point. And I don't need to create an instance to actually call my subtract method. Then I can actually assign the results to a variable called result. Oh, it's of type double, of course. And now I'm actually also going to print the result, and as you'll see, that's going to be 7. So let me run this. And as you can see, I have the value of pi and I have 7. This is not the only way to access them though, and please mind this is not a best practice, but I do want to show you this. I could create an instance of mathUtils, which is a bit of a weird thing to do, but I could. And then on here, I could also access the value of pi. Like this. Please mind, this is not a best practice, but you can do this. And I can also call the method. And as you can see, it's not even suggesting it because it's not something that's considered best practice to do, but it will work. It's a bit reluctant though, but it does work. So in running this, it will show you the results too. But what is important to know, that if pi is changed at any point, it's changed for all instances. So I am going to create another instance of these mathUtils, which is a very weird thing to do, but I will. And I'm going to say here m1.pi equals 12. Of course, pi does not equal 12, but I just want to prove my point here. And right now, if I'm going to print the value of pi in different ways, so I'm just going to do it like this. Also on the mathUtils one, like what you should be doing, and yet another space where I'm also printing it on M1, you'll see that it's going to be changed for all the places. So let me run this and show it to you. And as you can see, it is 12, 12, 12. So once it's being changed in one place, since it's static, it's being replaced everywhere because there's only one pi and it belongs to the class mathUtils. You can access it via the instance. You shouldn't, but you could. Alright, to sum up, static means that the field or method belongs to the class and not to the instance.